Hey, what's up you guys, PrinceMeed here. Okay. At this point kan korang, aku dah tak kisah doh kalau people nak call me fake, kalau you guys nak say that I am the best actor. I don't care anymore. I dah aku fikir semua benda ni it's done, it's over, it's finished. Aku buat bodoh benda tu, ada tak layan lah benda tu. Nak cakap pun it's like I don't know what to say. I punya rumah like ada masalah ni semua. Aku belum pindah lagi disebabkan SOP ke whatever the hell they call this. I don't even. For months, okay you guys, aku tak dengar any sounds, aku tak dengar any bunyi. Ada tu ada tapi sikit-sikit. Tapi now it's like the voices are back. Aku dah boleh dengar suara semua balik. Aku dah boleh dengar footsteps all over again. It's happening again. It's happening once again. Aku fikir benda ni memang dah, it's done, it's over. Up until last week, dia dah mula balik semua benda ni. Aku dah call 2 orang ustaz to come to my house to help me.
Jadi tim kami akan pergi ke satu tempat di mana dikatakan rumah YouTuber yang mana PrinceMeed tu, hamba Allah yang nama Meed tu, yang kena gangguan mana rumah dia setelah dia membeli. Saya sendiri pengalaman saya tengok video tu, saya rasa bukan satu box, banyak box yang mengandungi Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad, panggil apa? Jin ataupun tempat jin tu duduk. Sebab masa dia buka telur sendiri ada bulu ayam semua, pangkai semua adalah makanan kepada jin.
PrinceMeed ni dia aku selalu kadang-kadang nak tengok live dia, bagus sebenarnya.
I called my friends untuk bermalam semua dekat sini. It's happening again. It came back though. Benda-benda, all these things yang I really try to stay away from, it came back. Aku boleh dengar sounds and ada suara lelaki ke suara perempuan, I don't know. It's like I keep hearing voices all over again. And guess what? Semua memang daripada tingkat 3. Hari tu I ada tiba-tiba buka semua, yang flash tu tiba-tiba berjalan. I don't understand. I tak faham. Why is all this happening all over again? Benda dah lepas. It's done. It's over. I don't understand. Ustaz dah datang doh. Orang kena rasuk in my stupid house tu. Aku punya muka sampai terkoyak semua, daging semua keluar. What is going on? That's enough. Why is all this happening all over again? I don't know. Aku tak faham satu benda. Ustaz semua dah datang, you know. Lepas tu benda ni it happened once again. Why? I tak tahu. I pasang semua surah-surah ni semua, you know, but it keeps on happening. How? I was fine for months. Aku dah mula dah gemuk sikit tu sekarang. Aku dah mula makan semua, you know. Things keep on happening again and again and again. And guess what? I dah tak tahu nak buat apa dah sekarang. Aku kalau pindah rumah pun, you guys, honestly, guess what? Aku fikir that benda ni it will ikut aku wherever I go. What do I do though? What can I do right now at this very moment? Like what can I do? Apa yang aku boleh buat right now? I don't know. I tak tahu nak buat apa dah sekarang doh. Lepas tu guess what doh? Lepas ni aku masuk balik berita, you know. Lepas tu dia kena say, oh macam ni.
Tanda-tanda yang berlaku yang dialami oleh PrinceMeed ni adalah di antara tanda-tanda rumah yang ada di dalamnya bernama makhluk yang bernama jin.
I don't know what else I can do. Everything happened last week. Aku tengah dekat bawah. I was having lunch. Aku tengah makan seorang. Why? Sebab aku tinggal seorang dekat rumah yang besar nak mampus macam ni. Okay, I live alone. Aku tengah duduk kat bawah masa tengah makan aku punya lunch, and then I hear voices daripada atas. Oh, come on! Oh, come on, dude! Oh, you gotta be What the is... I posted dekat I punya Twitter. Okay, I posted dekat I punya Twitter. I hear voices coming daripada tingkat 3. Ada pintu dekat atas yang keeps on tutup and dia tutup and dia tutup. There's no one in the house. Aku boleh dengar pintu buka. Aku boleh dengar pintu tutup. I hear pintu terbuka. I hear pintu tutup. It happened more than once, and I keep hearing the exact same sound for at least a few minutes. I'm the only one in the entire house, and you guys know this, okay guys? I tinggal seorang though. I tinggal seorang. Okay? I keep hearing sounds daripada tingkat 3 every single time. I keep hearing footsteps walking down the stairs. And I don't know what the hell is actually going on. I thought semua benda dah over, but I keep hearing the exact same sound every single time. Oh, come on! I thought semua benda dah over, sumpah. I thought it's all done. I thought it's all over. It's done. Dah doh, ustaz semua dah datang. It's over. It's done. A few months ago, my friend, my best friend, Man, came over. Dia nak sangat naik dekat tingkat 3 to see what he can see. Apa benda yang dia boleh dengar ke, dia boleh rasa ke. From there, running dekat sini tau. I was over here. Aku dekat sini masa tu. What the fuck? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. I punya green screen tu, the whole thing came down. Ya Allah. Wait. Oh. What the? Ada tangan ni, like you can see a handprint pushing that green screen. You can see a hand pushing it. There's no one there. Aku punya lampu tu dia tiba-tiba jatuh when there's no one there. I don't understand. Okay. I told you. It's not me. It's not aku. It's not aku, bro. Kau pun tahu doh. Everything yang aku experience from A sampai Z has been real. Everything on camera memang real. The things, the people. Now you get it.
Pindah doh. Seriously, pindah.
Hell yes, aku nak pindah doh. Okay, okay. Aku tengah dekat bawah, aku tengah having lunch on my own. Why? Because I live alone. I live on my own. I pay this house on my own. Aku tak tinggal dengan my friends ke, dengan my girlfriend ke, you know, dengan my wife ke. There's no one here except for me. You guys know this. Aku tinggal seorang, aku mandi seorang, aku buat kerja seorang, aku keluar seorang. Just like everything that I do is on my own. Aku baru dengar something daripada atas. I just heard something from upstairs. Aku tengah lepak dekat bawah. I was having my lunch. Aku pergi rekod benda tu and I post it on my social media. And it keeps on happening. Sampai senja, sampai malam, aku mula rasa like I'm alone. And I need someone to be here with me. I gotta talk to someone. Aku call Abang Ipar dengan member aku to come here and just hang out with me the next day.
I don't understand and I don't know macam mana nak cakap ni tau. So yesterday I was having lunch downstairs and then I hear voices and I hear footsteps coming from upstairs.
Oh, come on!
When there was no one in my house. I live alone. Can
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I saw you posted on Twitter about the noise that's coming from the third floor.
The sun was not really like it was not really on the 4.0 microphone though.
Yeah.
I hear a voice coming from the third floor. Dude, dua ustaz came to this house and they told me the exact same thing. Yes, ada benda semua dekat dalam rumah ni. I don't even know what to do now though, to be honest. My friends came over, lepas tu like they don't want to come here ever again tau.
You see what is that noise? Kau dengar betul tak? You dengar betul tak?
I was downstairs having lunch seorang. Why? Because I live seorang. I hear footsteps though dekat tingkat 3. I still hear things on the third floor. I don't understand. Or dia tengah berlakon semua. Why? Sebab nak attention from the Malaysian people. Dude, honest to God, I don't give a shit langsung though. You guys know me, okay? It's like I don't care.
Okay, how about my schedule is free tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow my schedule is wide open. I can come over, accompany you the whole day. Okay, you haven't been on the third floor for months, right?
Ada sebulan lebih lah. Nak masuk 2 bulan I think.
I think I'll join too tomorrow. Since I'm free, I'll just come over.
I bagi tahu dorang, I tell them the hell is actually happening. They are my family members and they know me well. They know I macam mana. So they come over, lepas tu they want to spend time just to make sure that I'm not alone.
Yo!
What's
What's up?
up?
After for so long.
Itu for so long.
Damn you.
They came over, lepas tu they brought their own cameras sebab they pun have their own YouTube channels. Mr. Shutter dengan Epic Flanker, they came over, lepas tu they nak film apa yang boleh.
So, what's for dinner?
I don't know. What do you want to have? Do you want chicken ke? You want burger ke? You want pizza ke? You want nasi ke? You want mamak ke? You want what?
Oh, a little bit too late for rice. Just a fried chicken for A&W.
Oh, sedap.
Other guys are scrolling through girl photo on Instagram
Meet here, scrolling through which KFC set should he buy.
I masa macam tengah lepak semua dengan diorang kayu guys. Okay. Bila saya delivery dia, you know how much? $12.
The then no. Then no.
Like just chill and just hang out. I punya abang ipar is like he heard something from upstairs.
Wait, what the dengar tak tadi? Dude? Jom.
I'm not going out there.
Alah, for a while ni, let's go.
I'm not going out there.
Come on, it's just one time.
Heard something.
Go upstairs, man. Serious.
Like, okay, you posted something on Twitter and I got curious, and then now it's happening again. I guess so. It's like maybe Stella, I don't know. Maybe we can just.
She's outside. I thought aku seorang je yang dengar. Aku buat bodoh tau. I'm like, no.
Tempat dengar tak tadi? Shit, dude.
Okay, guys. I shit you not. I was filming video with PrinceMeed, and then we like a thumb kind of thing.
I'm not going up there.
Is that the third floor?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay. Mate, you following? Come on, it's just gonna be a real quick pick.
Wait, I told you guys about this house before, right?
Yeah, but I mean like since we're here, 3 of us, why not just have a look? Tengok kejap je, and then if like we
Curious now?
can.
Like, I'm curious.
Macam mana? You tengok kejap je, and then if you don't feel comfortable, you come downstairs again.
Everybody heard it. I macam, okay. I don't want to go up there.
Heard something.
Go upstairs, man. Serious.
Like, okay.
Benda ni, like it was around 7:15, 7:20. Waktu maghrib, they keep on saying, wait mate, apa kata jom kita pergi naik atas. Aku cakap dekat orang, dude, I'm not going up there. I'm not going up there. At this time, dude, lagi-lagi waktu maghrib, I'm not going up there. They insist.
Alright, guys. For real, just for a quick second.
Dude, okay, you guys will actually understand if you guys live here though, you know what I mean? They really wanted to go upstairs. Diorang nak sangat. Aku dah tak naik upstairs for a while, but they want to go upstairs juga. Aku punya kucing Stella mula bising semua, lepas tu macam dia mula marah.
Like, just now I thought it was Stella.
What is wrong with you, Stella? Though, do not bising. What's going on? Stop. Right?
You see that? Stella is like angry or something.
Because they want to go upstairs. I tak nak naik atas, okay guys. Dia macam, oh, let's go upstairs kejap. Okay, go. I'll be.
Right, so me and Epic Flanker are very curious because it's like a loud thumb.
Yep.
Just now while we were recording. So.
Oh my god, Renee. Okay, I'm done. Okay.
Okay, she's staring at the corner.
Kita dengar macam ada bunyi macam someone fell down, macam someone terjatuh ke whatever.
It's a green wall. It's getting more and more green.
On the way naik atas tu, it's like aku dah mula rasa pelik. Aku dah macam wait, please lah, tolong lah jangan naik atas. Just stop. They still nak naik atas juga.
Then my last exit was here. I'm opening the door. It's very dark in here. Okay, so I believe you guys know the mess here.
Dia pelakon dari itu.
Lepas tu masa kita semua dah dekat atas kan you guys.
So, according to me, that he hasn't been up here since the accident.
It was very very cold. Aku boleh rasa macam someone actually ada buka aircon.
Is the aircon on?
Rasa sejuk.
Yeah, it's gonna.
No, the aircon. It was very 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 cold.
Hey.
Alright, let's go. So we could have we could have saw, like, we heard like a loud thump in here. So I feel a bit chilly up here. So
Yeah, I think we better go.
I don't feel good. So
Let's just leave this room.
let's go.
Nobody naik dekat sana. Nobody pernah aku boleh rasa macam it's so cold dekat dalam bilik ni. Aku boleh tingkap semua tutup, aku boleh kipas semua tutup. I don't understand.
The aircon is off. Tapi dia sejuk.
Alright guys, I think that's
Jom.
enough. I'm getting ready.
Let's leave this room.
What was that?
I don't know.
Alright, I think we've been up here long enough. Let's go.
Jom. I think. Nah. Jom. It's more.
Last time when I was here, it wasn't that green.
Yeah. I think it was on. It was like until and that screen there, right? The ring mirror. And I was up till here.
After that, after semua benda tu, Amir balik, aku punya brother-in-law, he decided untuk stay here with me for the night. So dia pergi tidur dekat dalam aku punya guest room here. Aku pergi tidur dekat sini. And for the whole night you guys, I tak dengar satu bunyi. I tak dengar satu sound. I didn't hear anything at all. Like zero. Besoknya he left. Wife dia dah call dia semua kan. So he had to go back. He has a family semua. So aku dah mula seorang balik all over again. Aku tengah mandi. Aku boleh dengar someone walking like this dekat atas. I'm here in my room. Aku tengah mandi, naked. I can hear someone walking. Why would I fake any of this shit? There's no one here in this house. I am the only guy. So for days, aku boleh dengar lagi footsteps, aku boleh dengar lagi suara, aku boleh dengar lagi pintu buka tutup. Aku pergi pasang surah Yasin. The whole night. The whole night aku biarkan surah Yasin tu, you know. Habis, repeat lagi. Habis, you repeat lagi. Habis, you repeat lagi. It keeps on happening. A few days ago, aku tengah lepak dekat bawah, hanging out, lepak semua. Aku tengah video call semua dengan my friend. I still hear things. Okay, sekolah korang tengok dah betul-betul lah. I don't know what the hell this is. Dia ada dua lah. Dia ada dua ni. Here pun dia ada dua ni. You guys, I don't know though. Okay? And now it goes all the way sampai bawah tau. It's all the way sampai bawah. It's all the way down. I don't really care though kalau okay, aku dengar benda daripada dalam bilik tu right now. Yo, korang dengar? Tell me korang dengar tu. I'm so not going there. I'm not going in that room right now. Serious, aku takkan masuk lagi lah. Oh my god! What is that? Okay, you know what? What the hell? Yo! Leave me alone, though! It's done! What the I keep hearing orang jalan now, you know, dekat sini, lepas tu kat tangga, lepas tu just now aku dengar kat sini. What the hell? It's over lah. Enough! Leave my f***ing house! Leave my damn house! I've done everything. I've done everything. Someone kena rasuk in my house on video. Live pula tu. It was live all over satu Malaysia tu. Not only satu Malaysia tu, in front of the whole world. I've done everything. I've done it all. The only thing yang I belum buat is that I have to go back to Kara Ambil balik benda yang I dah buang benda tu and show it dekat ustaz. How am I supposed to go to Karak right now? I cannot go right now. Rentas negeri. Mana boleh? You tengok though the cases now. It is now at 17,000. So how the hell do you want me to go? Lepas tu benda yang hijau tu kan you guys, it keeps on getting longer and way bigger every day. Aku tengok benda tu dulu like it was bad. Right now it's really bad. Sampai dah ke lantai tau benda tu.
Do something.
Few days ago, I dah tak tahan. I dah tak tahan kan you guys, and then I got mad. I got super angry. Aku macam, yo, aku dah tak tahan lagi benda ni. What else can I do right now? Because I don't know nak buat apa lagi. So I got emotional. Aku mula marah.
And guess what? Orang akan masih cakap, oh dia gempak gila berlakon. Oh.
Aku mula cabar benda tu.
Show yourself. Say something. Do something. I'm here! Come on! I'm fine now. Aku dah sihat dah. You want to kill me again? Do it now! Do something!
Aku boleh dengar voices coming from that room.
This... Do something!
I don't really care. I don't care kalau people nak call me fake, okay guys. Everybody calls me fake, okay. Memang daripada dulu though. Use my face untuk content. Use my videos untuk content. Calling me fake. This is my life. Aku kalau mati, aku yang susah though. Lepas tu, guess what? They won't care. They won't care if I die. Asalkan they get to use my content. Why? Untuk nak dapatkan views. I don't care about any of those losers. I don't care about any of those losers and those idiots anymore. I just don't. Like, I don't care. This is my house. This is my life, bro. This is my future. Aku kalau tak ada future, bro. Do you think that they will care? No, they will not give a damn. It's happening all over again. Every day. Every night. Every day and every night. I will hear things in this house. Every single time. I akan film everything from now on. Ada ramai tu yang pernah cakap ni before. Mate, just put cameras in your house. Okay, I don't... Okay, you guys, I'm so done with all this. I am so done with semua benda ni. I will put cameras in this house. I will put cameras in that room dekat atas. I will put everything yang I need. Microphones, cameras, I don't care. Aku kalau kena beli lagi mikrofon kan, fine. Aku akan beli, fine. I promise you guys, if there's anything happening, there's anything going on in this house, I can film as much as I can, as soon as I can. I will show you guys everything as fast as I can. Kalau you guys yang don't understand what is actually going on, watch aku punya video-video yang sebelum ni, so you guys will actually understand what is actually happening in my life right now. I will see you guys immediately. I love you all. Assalamualaikum. And I'll see you guys soon.